Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time is 25 minutes past the hour of 4 in the morning, and the date today is the 7th of February 2025. The ground temperature is 26 degrees Celsius or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. Passengers who need assistance, please approach your cabin crew ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Paulo Dimal and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Please have your completed e-travel registration code ready upon arrival. If you have not done your e-travel registration, please approach any of our ground staff for assistance.